Bulawayo-based ZANU-PF stalwart Eliphas Mashaba has openly thrown his weight behind Vice President Constantino Chiwenga in his bruising showdown with President Emmerson Mnangagwa over corruption allegations rocking the ruling party. Sanapenda mashoko buda panguwa inonyatsona kunzi Bulawayo yaendosa VP Constantino Chiwenga panguwa inoyona ichita shutdown aiwa kune mutungamiri wenyika aiwa pamusoro pecorruption. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipita unaozeri mudani kwa mchinzi sources who attended last week Politburo said Mashawa said corrupt figures aligned with the so-called Rigananda cartel must face immediate arrest. He warned that conflating the fight against graft with the 2030 campaign to extend Mnangagwa's rule beyond constitutional limits was a dangerous diversion that threatened ZANU-PF's survival. His remarks came as Chiwenga escalated his offensive, tabling a dossier implicating Mnangagwa's close allies. Kudawasha Tagure, Wikino Chivayo, Pedzisai Scott Sakupkanya and Delish Ngwaya. In what he described as industrial-scale looting, he accused the businessmen of siphoning billions from state coffers while manipulating internal party politics through lavish patronage. The explosive confrontation between Mnangagwa and his deputy, which began at State House before spilling into the Politburo, laid bare the deepening factional rifts as succession battles intensify. Chiwenga's demand that the Riganandas be jailed shocked many, underscoring the existential stakes of the power struggle. Mnangagwa, who denies plotting to overstay beyond 2028, responded with a sweeping Politburo reshuffle aimed at weakening Chiwenga's camp. Yet, Mashaba's intervention from Bulawayo highlights that grassroots voices within the party are increasingly rallying to the vice president's call for accountability. With the annual party conference set for October in Mutare, the crisis has reached a boiling point. What began as an anti-corruption push has morphed into a defining battle for ZANU-PF's future, one that pits the president against the very generals who helped install him in 2017. As one Politburo insider observed, the generals who toppled Mugabe are now turning on each other. Ndo mashoko ari kupangwa ine muri Zimbabwe anoonekwa kunzi aiwa panguva ino Bulawayo pamwechete grassroots oya panguva ino achiendosa mutevedzeri wemutungamiri wenyika Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Pinangomene section medu dzimafungiro enyu moti kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.